Hey, Joe here with Fly the Concealed Carry. Listen, we always come up with these different scenarios. We have our scenario training workshops. This is one of the things I want you to think about. Let's just say you're sitting in your car, enjoying the day, enjoying the drive, listening to your favorite song, listening to the dog bite something back there. All of a sudden somebody tries to get in your car. They break out your window. They actually get into the car. What are you gonna do? This is stuff you gotta start thinking about. Everybody thinks just because they have a gun, they're invincible. Nobody can touch them. They're the ultimate, special agent defense person out there. No, it doesn't work that way. So listen, in a situation like this, what are you gonna do? You're sitting in your car, somebody breaks out your window or jumps in the car. Traffic's moving. First thing, I would advise you, get the hell out of Dodge. Drive away. What lane are you in? You in one of the outside lanes or center lane? If I'm in the right lane like I just was, at least I can turn my wheel to the right. Did I leave enough room, enough of a gap between me and the car in front of me so I can make that right, get out of the way, go up a curb, down the side street, whatever it's going to be. Things to think about. Sometimes you're not going to be able to grab your gun as your first line of defense. Like we always say, fight, flight, or freeze. The worst thing you can ever do is freeze. The first thing we would suggest, flight, get the hell out of Dodge. It's not worth the fight. Last thing you want to do is fight. So again, if I can turn one way or another, get the hell out of Dodge. Now, where do I keep my gun? Is it on my hip? Am I going to be able to get it out quick enough? Is it in my center console? When I keep it in my vehicle, if it's not on my hip, am I keeping it there legally? It's all stuff to think about. These magnetic holsters down here in Florida, or magnetic, whatever you call them, that go under your dash, that's technically deemed open carry. If the officer can see it as soon as he walks up to the vehicle, that's open carry. It's got to be concealed. I know we have presumed privacy on our vehicles, but again, think about it. If somebody can just walk up to your car, plain as day, see your gun, that's open carry. So these are different things you need to start thinking about and training for. Have you ever trained shooting your gun sitting down? It happens. Rangers usually do not let you sit in the chair as you're going to shoot, especially if you're not shooting in front, you're going to be shooting one way or another. If the person's trying to get in your driver's window, how are you going to do this? You're going to shoot yourself in the arm? You're going to keep your arm up here like this and try to shoot? No. Are you going to be fighting off your attacker? Yes. Your support hand, your left hand in my situation, and if they're coming through my driver's window, I'm going to be either pushing them off, fighting them, doing something with that hand, and if I'm going for my gun, I'm going to have to move that arm, my hand, really quick, or I might shoot it. Again, these are things we go over in our scenario workshop training. Again, this class gets you certified for your concealed weapons license as well. We do suggest, though, if you're going to take this class, that you have some kind of experience with a firearm. Doesn't have to be a lot of experience, but if you've never touched one before, I do not suggest this class because it's a very fast-paced class. Majority of the time is spent on scenario training. So, listen, if you have any questions, put it in the comments below. I'll answer them for you. If you have a certain scenario you'd like us to answer, how we handle it, let us know. All the instructors here have extensive knowledge and stuff like this. This is what we've done for a living. This is our profession. We're just not the weekend warrior coming out saying, hey, I bought a gun, I joined the NRA, now I'm the best thing since sliced bread. No, we actually have the right answers for you and the right ways for you to train. So again, please give us a call. Let's get this done. Now I'm going to go back to my song. Hey, I apologize for any edits in this video. I like to usually do them straight through to let you know we're not BSing, but there's a lot of traffic out here today, and sometimes I say things I'm not supposed to say on videos. So listen, if you have any questions, again, put it in the comments below. Give us a call, private message us. We'll answer them for you. Give us a scenario that you'd like us to go over, and we'll do it for you. Folks, have a great day. I'm going back to my song.